In today's video, I will teach you how to mask out trees using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Now, switch to the Channels tab and create a new copy of the blue channel by dragging it to the new layer icon at the bottom panel. Or simply right-click on the channel and select Duplicate Channel. Now select the blue channel copy and make sure that the other channels are hidden. Then, press Ctrl L to open the Levels panel. Here, adjust each lighter to where the leaves and the sky has a clear contrast. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click OK and hold down Ctrl key while clicking on the blue channel thumbnail. This will select blue areas in the image. Now, go back to the Layers panel and click on the Add Vector Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then, hit Ctrl I to invert the mask and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.